Founded in 2010, WorldRemit is a money transfer company especially good for remittances to family and friends. We reviewed their services earlier this year, and in this video we're going to take you through exactly how you set up an account and make a transfer. And at the end, we'll give you our top 3 tips for saving money when you use WorldRemit. Before we get into the process, let's have a quick look at what you'll need to make a transfer with WorldRemit. Firstly, you'll need some identification with you, photo ID and proof of address. WorldRemit need this to verify you and set up the account. Secondly, you'll need the details of the person you're paying. For example, if you're transferring to a bank account overseas, you'll need things like their account name, account number, and identifying number for their bank. Finally, you need to know how you want to pay for the transfer. WorldRemit accept both credit and debit card, so you just need the card you're using with you. Then you're good to go. The first step is going to the WorldRemit website to sign up. This means providing personal details like your name, date of birth, where you live, and the ID we mentioned earlier. Now, WorldRemit have around-the-clock customer support, and so your account shouldn't take too long to be verified. It's always best to play it safe though. Give yourself time in case something happens in the process. We'd suggest setting up your account a few days before you know you need to make the transfer. Once your account is verified, you'll be able to start filling in the details for your transfer. WorldRemit have a very easy to use website. In the top left corner, you can select where you're sending the money from. Then, in the middle of the screen, select the country you'll be sending the money to. The way the person receives the money depends on where they are. Generally, bank deposit is available, but there are also options for mobile money or cash pickup in some locations. The next screen will show you the options for the country you're sending to. Once you've entered the currency and amount, WorldRemit will estimate the cost of your transfer, including the exchange rate and fees. You can choose if this is based on the amount you need to send or the amount that needs to be received, making it easy to calculate the cost. The next steps involve all the details for the person you're sending the money to. This will include their name, country of residence, and their bank details. If you are sending to your own account overseas, you will fill in your own details in the same way. You can also save them for future use. On this page, you will also enter the Currency Shop's promo code. Use our link to WorldRemit and enter the code 3FREE. Then you won't have to pay the transfer fee for your first 3 transfers. It's important to make sure all of these details are correct. It can be a hassle if you need to change them later on. Once you confirm the order, you'll be able to pay for the transfer. You can choose to pay by bank transfer or with either a credit or debit card. You will then have a confirmation of the transfer. Now, if you had the option for cash pickup, it will usually be available almost instantly, but bank transfers can take up to 3 days. Okay, now that you know the nitty-gritty of setting up your account and making your transfer, let's have a look at our tips for getting cheaper transfers with WorldRemit. Firstly, using our promo code will help you get your first 3 transfers free. This means no fee. You just have to look at the rate WorldRemit is offering you. Speaking of the rate, make sure you're comparing the rate WorldRemit are offering to what's on Google. This way, you'll be able to see how much of a margin they're taking. You should also compare other options. While WorldRemit could be the best one, you don't know if you don't compare. Different money transfer companies are good for different types of transfers. Using a comparison table like ours will show you the best options based on the amount and currency that you're sending. Hopefully, this makes the process of transferring money overseas with WorldRemit a bit easier. In the description, you'll find our links to our comparison table and WorldRemit's website so that you can get started. And if you have any questions about any of it, you can just leave them in the comments below.